Hey guys, this is Moens with Simple Jack Trades, and today I'm going to go over how to open a new account with Tradovate. So we're here at Tradovate.com, and I'm simply going to go to Open Account. Okay, I'm going to type in my email address. And click Sign Up. It's going to ask me to confirm my email address. Now click on Go to Login. It wants me to create a username. And the password. Okay, I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions and create user. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on Open Account. Individual, you can open an account for more than one account holder, 2 account holders. You can open it as an individual retirement account, a corporate account if you have a corporation, an LLC if you have an LLC, partnership, or a trust. Okay, then I scroll down to the bottom and click Start Application. Put my first name and last name and click Continue. My address, and it should pull up a screen to autofill. Then I type in my phone number, hit Continue, enter my date of birth, and what my state or my country of citizenship is, and then my social. Okay, it's going to ask me if I'm employed, unemployed, retired, or a student. I am employed, and I am a, type in my occupation there. Okay, it's going to ask you for your annual income, your net worth, and your liquid net worth. Okay, answer those honestly. Okay, source of capital, where is it coming from? My savings, my employment income, inheritance, or income from ownership of a business. I'm just going to put in savings. Okay, am I a debtor in a bankruptcy proceeding? No. What is my trading experience? Futures, stocks, and funds. 5 years in each. Okay, am I a hedger? You are not allowed to open an account as a hedger, so the answer here is no. Do any of these following apply to me? Am I a member of an NFA or an exchange? Am I registered with the CFTC? Am I an employee or related to an employee of an international bank, FCM, CFTC, NFA, and or exchange? No. Will any other person or entity have a financial interest in this account? No. Will any other person or entity control or manage trading in this account? No. Are you a professional or non-professional futures trader? The answer should be non-professional unless you, here's the explanation. A non-professional is an individual, natural person, or certain small business entities whose primary business purpose is not trading. A member of any exchange or a registered financial professional or affiliated with an entity that is a professional user. So I am not a professional trader. My primary purpose is not trading. Okay, so non-professional. Do you understand the risk of loss in futures trading? Yes, if I put money into my futures account and I trade futures, I could potentially lose all of that money. Okay, do you understand the leverage provided in futures trading? Yes, leverage is that, especially with a broker like Tradovate, you only need about $500 to purchase one E-mini S&P 500 futures contract. The full margin value is a little over $12,000. So basically, they're allowing you to trade a contract with as little as $500 when you need over $12,000. That's extremely leveraged. So you can make a lot of money using a very little amount of money. You can also lose all of your money. And then this next one is important. Do you understand the possibility of losing more than your account balance? So in a margin account, which is what you have as a futures trader using Tradovate or any other futures trading platform, is you could potentially go down to $0 in your account on a trade while you're in a trade and go below zero. And effectively, you would end up owing the brokerage, in this case Tradovate, you would end up owing them money. Okay, now I've been using Tradovate for 3 years. I've had some small accounts before, and they do a really good job. Their computer system does a really good job of closing you out of a trade when you're at risk of going to less than the required margin for a contract. So let's say I'm in a trade. I have $600 in my account. The requirement to have to trade one ES, the E mini S&P 500, one contract is $500. So if I'm in a trade and I have $600 and I go down to 500, I'll get a warning from Tradovate saying that I'm close to liquidation. And if I go too far below that margin requirement, they will automatically close me out of my position. I've had that happen before. It's never been an issue. I've never gone negative on a trade or negative in my account. I've never had to owe them money, but this is a risk of trading futures. Technically, you can lose more than you have in your account. So you do need to be careful. Make sure you always trade with a stop loss. Do you understand that you may be required to deposit additional funds to your account? Yes, and that goes along with what I just said. If you end up going below zero in your account, you're going to be required to basically pay them what you owe them and deposit more funds into your account. So answers to all these should be yes. Click continue. Okay, it's going to ask you to review your information. Make sure you typed it all in right. Okay. No affiliations. Great. So accept and continue. Okay, here it's going to ask me to upload my driver's license or upload my passport. All right. So that's done, uploaded. Okay, there's a bunch of documents they're going to want you to sign. I do recommend that you at least take a look at these so that you know what you're getting yourself into. I've signed up with Tradovate before, so I'm just going to mark that I've read them. Okay, your signature is just your name. And you hit submit application. Okay, so what are the next steps? We will soon review your account application. The process takes usually 1 to 2 days. Keep an eye on your email. Once you're approved, they'll let you know via email. Then you'll be able to fund your account, which we can go over in a later video. And then you'll need to add market data so you actually can see the price action on the chart, so you know what you're trading, and you'll be able to place trades in real time. Once you have that market data, you're able to trade. So I just hit done, and it's going to take me to Tradovate, and you'll see that I have available to me a demo account. So while you're waiting for your approved account, you can actually log in while the market is going. You can log in and you can trade fake money. This is a practice account or a paper account, and this is a very, very useful tool if you're just getting started out. So we'll go over that in a later video as well. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post in the Discord or to put a comment or a question up on the YouTube video in the comment section, and we'll be happy to help you out.